We have already identified the relevant components of planning for assessment, but here's a short summary. You must include your candidate. They are best placed to know what work they will be doing, and together you can identify what units are best for them to undertake. You can then discuss evidence you are looking for and how you can get this. Induction to their qualification is really important so that the candidate is very clear about the standards expected, the timeframes involved, and the training they may need to undertake in order to develop sufficient knowledge and understanding. A signed induction checklist is useful for this and will ensure you outline all aspects of the course and identify any additional support needs the learner may have. This checklist should also include the Centre's appeals and grievance procedures and confidentiality and equal opportunities policies. From that induction, you can identify early on if the candidate needs any adaptations to the assessment process. For example, a candidate with dyslexia would benefit from the use of recorded professional discussion as opposed to asking them to fill in written knowledge questions. SQA and your centre has equal opportunities policies which include adaptation to the assessment process. As an assessor, you need to be fully aware of these and what you can and cannot do to adapt any assessments. Any assessment plan you produce should state clearly what adaptations, if any, have been made and why. For the LD9DI, you need to have 4 assessment plans in total, 2 for each candidate. These assessment plans will be a prime source of evidence for your Assessor Award and will clearly demonstrate that you have involved the candidate in the preparation and planning process. So make sure that you are familiar with the policies and processes mentioned. Once you are, move on to the assessment for outcome 2 of your award. Click the arrow on the right to move on.